Sending money from Malaysia to India can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to choose a money transfer service that suits your needs. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer services, and traditional money transfer companies. When selecting a service, consider factors such as transfer fees, exchange rates, and delivery speed. Online services like PayPal, TransferWise, and Remitly often offer competitive rates and low fees. Once you have chosen a service, you will need to create an account and provide some basic information, including your name, address, and identification details. You will also need to add the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. The next step is to fund your transfer. You can do this using a debit or credit card, or by transferring money from your bank account. The transfer service will then convert your Malaysian ringgit to Indian rupees and deposit the funds into the recipient's bank account. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure you have all the necessary documents and information ready. This includes the recipient's bank account number, IFSC code, and SWIFT code. You should also check the transfer limit and any applicable fees before initiating the transfer. After initiating the transfer, you will receive a tracking number that allows you to monitor the status of your transfer. The recipient will typically receive the funds within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the transfer service and the destination bank. It is also important to note that there are regulations in place to prevent money laundering and other illicit activities. As such, you may be required to provide additional documentation or information to comply with these regulations. In conclusion, sending money from Malaysia to India is a relatively simple process that can be completed online or in person. By choosing the right transfer service, providing accurate information, and complying with regulations, you can ensure a fast and secure transfer of funds to your loved ones in India.